Which one's the best crypto asset? Well, Bitcoin's the best crypto asset. Okay. What's the second best? There's no second best.
Nice.
U.S. Federal Reserve leaves Fed funds target rate unchanged. What comes next? Rate cuts? That would be good for crypto, right? But when? Will Sailor Moon save us? Sorry, I mean, will Michael Saylor save us? Stay with me. Good morning, everyone. Jana from Sats 4 Life is here, bringing you the buzz from the crypto cosmos. We have a lot to unpack, so let's start. Funding rates for Bitcoin perpetual futures markets have flipped positive across exchanges for the first time in months, suggesting a bullish bias. Open interest is also slowly rebuilding after a wave of liquidations during the initial price surge. In October, MicroStrategy acquired an additional 155 BTC for $5.3 million and now holds 158,400 BTC. Okay, I will do the math for you. The average price is $341.93.55 USD. U.S. Federal Reserve leaves Fed funds target rate unchanged. Powell said, "It is still likely that we will need to see some slower growth, softening in labor market to restore price stability." Are we nearing the end of the rate hike cycle? When will they cut rates, you may ask? Maybe we are getting hints from the Atlanta Fed? The GDP Now model estimate for real GDP growth, it's the seasonally adjusted annual rate, LOL, in the fourth quarter of 2023 is 1.2% on November 1, down from 2.3% on October 27. The price of Solana has increased by around 80% in the past month, and FTX transferred 1.38 million Solana worth $56 million out to sell as the price increased. FTX unstaked and withdrew 1.6 million Solana worth $65 million USD. The 1.6 million Solana may be transferred out one after another in the following days. Did you notice the correlation between Tether and Bitcoin lately? It seems that Bitcoin movements are directly correlated to Tether mints, and there are huge inflows into centralized exchanges like Binance. On November 1st, PayPal received a subpoena from U.S. SEC Division of Enforcement relating to PayPal USD stablecoin, according to Reuters. PayPal USD was launched in August of this year. Aragon holders have until November 2024 to redeem tokens, after which unclaimed Ethereum will go to the new structure. Aragon says, "Ant no longer serves a purpose and urges holders to redeem." ProShares is rolling out the first exchange-traded fund, ETF, that allows investors to take a bearish view on Ether, the world's second-largest cryptocurrency, the firm said on Thursday. ProShares. Short Ether strategy is designed to deliver the inverse of the daily performance of the standard 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗰𝗹 CME Ether Futures Index. In other words, if the index falls 1%, the ETF will seek to return 1%. Bankman-Fried convicted could face 100-plus years of prison time. Sam Bankman-Fried was convicted of a massive fraud that led to the collapse of the FTX exchange he owned. For each of the most serious charges, he faces up to 20 years in prison, adding up to more than 100 years. Judge Lewis Kaplan set a sentencing date in March. Bankman-Fried's attorney, Mark Cohen, said he will consider an appeal. Here we have the past 7 days of exchange outflow anomalies from Santiment, link in the description. And there we have a list of what assets smart money bought last week, data from Nansen, link in the description. And you may ask yourself, how much of their stable coins do they hold as a percentage of their total holdings? Data from Nansen, link in the description. That's it, guys. Have a nice week and don't be the prey. And by the way, you will find useful links in the description.
Nice.